I'll walk through the web search basics. So everybody must be mesmerized by the way how Google is able to search for what you want to search. Like a user gives a query, and within like less than a second, Google is able to retrieve the information that you want. First, I'll talk about what is anchor text. Anchor text is the clickable text in a hyperlink. Like suppose you give a query and you press a search button and you get a lot of links. Now anchor text is the set of words or say the statement where you which you see with the hyperlinks, and anchor text is relevant to the page the user is linking to rather than the generic text. That means anchor text describes more precisely what is there inside the page than the page itself. The keywords in anchor text are one of the many signals search engines use to determine the topic of a web page. So the keywords which you find in the anchor text, those are the words which a search engine uses in order to search for the information that the user is looking for. And the words contained in the anchor text help to determine the ranking of the pages. That will be discussed by my friend in page ranking algorithm. This is an example of anchor text, like the thing which you see with the hyperlink is the anchor text. How web search would be without search engine. So everybody, without looking into the slide, just imagine that you are searching something on the web without search engine. So how the search would be? My question. You don't have the search engine, just you're searching.
Search one after the other.
So,
maybe in a sequential manner.
What is the disadvantage? Like why do we need search engine? Why Google and
You
so
will
many
not
companies
get the
are-
result in a speed that you expect. Right? It would take a long time to run, and it may not be efficient.
It might not take longer time, but the main thing is that you will not get the relevant information. Say you are searching for something, you have given a query, and you see, like say in Google you have given a query, you just click on the search button and you see a number of links coming to it. Now has it ever come to your mind why the link which you see in the first, you'll see a list of links, right? Now why the link which you see in the first has come in the first and why not the second one has come in the first?
So the people who have searched for that before has clicked on that link by searching that particular query.
No, there could be many information.
Because the score for the website is very high, it has more relevant information.
Yes, that is the correct answer. So means the most relevant information as per the query given by the user will be given in the first link, and then the second most relevant will be given in the second link. That is done by the page ranking algorithms, and behind the search engine runs a lot of machine learning algorithms for effective information retrieval. So the World Wide Web contains more than 10 million websites with thousands more being added daily. So you might imagine how the size of the data that the World Wide Web has. Without search engine, content is hard to find. That is, effective information retrieval would not be possible if we do not have a search engine. Without search engine, there is no incentive to create content. Somebody needs to pay for the web, like a person who has there are web servers who are maintaining this. Search engines are a key enabler for interest aggregation, like a small number of geographically dispersed people with similar interests can find each other on the web. This is information retrieval in web versus information retrieval in general. So the web is a chaotic and uncoordinated collection. There would be lots of duplicates, like duplicacy in information, which he explained by stemming. It is removed by stemming, and no control or restrictions on who can author content. There would be lot of spam, so that should also has to be removed. So this is the difference between information retrieval in web and how you retrieve information just in general. Okay, thank you. The next part will be discussed.